Hey everybody, so today we will be doing a very exciting video. In today's video we will be doing a Fashion Nova try-on haul. I recently made a few purchases. There was one particular item that inspired the whole haul. It's a tie-dye shirt and I ordered this probably a month ago and I forgot the rest of what I ordered. But this video is in no way sponsored by Fashion Nova. I spent my own hard-earned money on this stuff, and today we will find out if it was worth it. So please enjoy the rest of this video and let's begin. So here's what the packaging looks like. Let's cut it up. Starting off with a bright piece, I got this two-piece tie-dye set. This is a tie-dye crop top and then these are sweatpants. So I saw on the website that it looked like it was made of 100% cotton, so I ended up going with a size small in case if I put it in the dryer it might shrink. So it does feel pretty thick, which I'm happy about because no one wants to have, you know, something showing that you don't want to be showing. So I just like a thicker material so that I don't have to layer something underneath. I can just go with a skin tone bra and then I'm good to go. So I am excited to try this on. And another thing about the website is a lot of the models look pretty curvy. And so, I mean, my body isn't particularly really curvy or not, but I liked how some of them seem to have like more petite body type, and I like the style of having high-waisted pants. And these on the model, it looked like she had these sweatpants above her waist, so pretty high-waisted up to her belly button. So I find that style to be very flattering on my body type because I'm a shorter petite girl, and I'm really excited to see how these look. Okay, so this is the tie-dye set on. Again, I got a size small, which was the way to go because an extra small would have been way uncomfortable, especially on the top. But there are two things that are a little bit weird about this set. With these sweatpants, these are the first sweatpants I've ever tried on that don't have pockets. So if you really love pockets, these don't have that. I don't think they were advertised to have that. I just assumed that they would. And then the other thing, which is a little weird, is this seam which goes down the center of these sweatpants. This drawstring is off center, so it doesn't line up with the seam. So that's kind of interesting, but it's not super noticeable, especially like far away and in normal life people aren't going to really see. I just thought that was kind of something I wanted to include. And these drawstrings have an orange detail to match the bright orange of the tie-dye, and that kind of concludes it. I'm happy with this purchase. I think I'm gonna wear this a lot, especially because it's really comfortable and it's not see-through, it's not showing anything, so I think it's pretty appropriate. And if I want to, I can have a little bit of skin, or if I don't, I can pull it up and we are good to go. Moving on to the next item, I got this black crop top with puff sleeves, and they have a lace detail on the back. So right now you can't really see because it's against the black, but it has this kind of corset string detail on the back. And when I first opened up this plastic packaging, because it comes, each item comes individually wrapped in a little plastic, and this one kind of has a strong smell. I don't really know if it's like a chemical or whatnot. I'll look at the details of what it was made of. It says 100% cotton, 100%, and the lining is 100% rayon. And it says hand wash cold, line dry, do not dry clean. So can't put this in the dryer. But I don't know what that scent is. It's not terribly unpleasant, but it's also something I would rather it not have. So yeah, that's kind of interesting. So yeah, this kind of has a little sweetheart neckline and then some puff sleeves, and I thought it would go good with high-waisted jeans or high-waisted shorts and even like maybe a skirt. So I'm excited to try this on. Here's what the black puff sleeve crop top looks like. I had a struggle putting this on. This was really hard to put on because there's no zipper. It's just the lace-up back that you put over your head. So I live alone, and if the strings had come undone, I don't think I'd be able to, you know, try to figure out how to restring the back. So I would keep that in mind. I sized up to a medium because people online said to size up, and I'm really glad that I did because I don't think this fabric is stretchable at all. And I do like the puff sleeve details. I like the shape here, but I think for me personally, I would have preferred if it fit just a little bit higher. So that's just like my personal preference. But the back is the winning part. The back looks super, super pretty. And I also wanted to say I just paired it with some Fashion Nova high-waisted jeans because I figured I'm doing a Fashion Nova haul, and these jeans I purchased over 2 years ago and I really like them and I think they're really flattering. So in case you're wondering, the jeans are from Fashion Nova as well. Overall, I think this top is pretty and cute, but for my personal taste, I don't think I see myself wearing it a lot in the future. Okay, I'm really excited, you guys. This is the piece that made me throw money at Fashion Nova, okay? Let's have a moment, okay? I mean, come on. It's just so perfect. It's so bright. I know it's kind of, maybe it's a teenage thing to wear tie-dye, but I'm in it, and this shirt makes me in it. I saw it online. I had to have it. I'm excited to try it on. I'm excited to wear it all the time because when I look at this, I can't be sad. So yes, I'm gonna try it on for you. Honestly, this shirt does not disappoint. It's exactly what I wanted. I mean, look at that quality, iconic. I love the colors. I love how bright it is, how fun it is, and I think, I don't know, it just makes me smile when I'm wearing it. It makes me smile when I look at it. I discovered something kind of interesting, which I'll talk about at the end of the video while I was trying this on. So I'll touch on that. But I would say this is exactly 100% the reason why I bought stuff this summer from Fashion Nova, and I'm really happy with it. Also, it's 100% cotton, so if I do put it in the dryer, it might shrink to a more flattering size for me. I think it's perfect for, you know, casual shirt, but I would want the print maybe slightly smaller. So if I wanted to style it more like this, I think it would be better if it was just a little bit smaller. But I still think it's really what I wanted, and I'm really happy that I own it, so this is a win. The next item that I got is this black crop top with polka dot details. The sleeves are mesh, and the polka dots have a felt texture on them, so you can see the polka dots on the sleeves, and they continue on this shirt as well, but they're not as visible because the shirt is lined so that it's not see-through. And I'm excited to put this on with some high-waisted options yet again. And it does not have a strong smell. It seems fine. The material is 100% polyester, and the instructions are to hand wash. I notice a lot of Fashion Nova clothing is hand wash, and a lot of it can't be put in the dryer just because, I don't know if it might get ruined or it might shrink, but typically, depending on what the material is, I don't really chance it. I'll just hang up my clothes because it's not a big deal. So I'm excited to try this on for you guys. Let's jump into it. Here's what the polka dot crop top looks like on. I love the sleeves. I think when the light hits them, they're really pretty, and the polka dot details are really nice. And the ruching here, I like it, but I'm not 100% sold on it. I don't know if it gives me a little bit too much volume or if it is flattering. So this is what this top looks like. The last item that I got from Fashion Nova was this biker short crop top set. So I wanted to get a color that I thought would just be something I could wear with anything if I wanted to mix up the top or the bottoms so that I would have versatility in my outfits with these. And I've seen a lot of people wearing like biker shorts, and I know loungewear is a big thing right now, especially during the times that we're living in. So I wanted to dip my toes into the biker short and chill loungewear kind of style, and I thought this would be a good start. On the website, these looked really flattering on the model, definitely accentuated the curves and smoothed everything out to make her look snatched, okay? A lot of the Fashion Nova models look snatched, and I want to look snatched. So maybe these will do it for me. The material feels very thick and kind of like spandex, and I will check what it is right now. So it says 92% nylon, 8% spandex, and the instructions are to hand wash cold and hang dry. So this is another option that you don't want to put in the dryer. But I like this. It feels kind of like athletic material. Like I would want this kind of material in a sports bra, which is good because I know that this material will work well with me if I want to work out or if I just want to relax and chill out. So I'm excited to try these on. They do look small. They look kind of like kid shorts, but that probably just means that they'll really suck me in and hopefully make me look snatched. So let's jump in. Starting with the positives, this set is super buttery soft. It's very comfortable and breathable, and like, I don't know, like you're putting on your favorite pair of leggings. It feels like it's flattering but not too suffocating, so I really like that. I think that the shorts are a little bit longer than I had imagined, but also because of the nature of the fabric, I can kind of zhuzh them up a little bit. And the model on the website, she had more of a gap between the top and the shorts. So like for me, I mean, unless I like raise my arms up, even raising my arms up, there isn't much skin showing. So for me, if I wanted skin showing, I'd probably just zhuzh it up, but I don't have to. I like the idea of this set because the top is really flattering and it fits me well. So I could pair this top with those tie-dye sweatpants if I wanted to, or other shorts and skirts if I wanted to. And then with these shorts, again, they're black, so I could wear these black shorts with that tie-dye crop top. I might have to do that. I like the versatility of having a two-piece set because you get more than just one outfit option to use out of it, so I really like that. I also noticed something from this set as well as the tie-dye shirt, and I will talk about that now. Now I'm going to talk about the interesting thing that I noticed and give my overall impressions with this haul. So when I was trying on each piece, obviously they have tags, they have care instructions. Most of the pieces had a Fashion Nova tag, which looks something like this. It says Fashion Nova, and you can clearly see that it's from Fashion Nova brand. However, this shirt, which was the SpongeBob shirt, it didn't have a tag on it at all, so that's kind of interesting. There's no price tag, but it also has the Nickelodeon brand, so I'm not sure who distributed this to Fashion Nova, but that probably means it's not designed by Fashion Nova, it's just sold by them. And then also with the biker short set, which was super, super comfortable and flattering, I found that it was from this brand, Bozolo. Can you see that? I thought I would mention that in case you're curious about it. Now for my overall impressions with these items that I bought, the tie-dye set, I got the perfect size. I think the design is beautiful, so I'm going to get use out of this and I'm really excited to wear it. And the next item was the puff sleeve top, and this one smelled a little bit weird, okay, but it had a cute back. And if you really like the corset detail, then I'd suggest try this out. Definitely size up because I got a medium and I'm usually a small. But for me personally, it was a little bit lower cut in the front, so I probably won't be wearing this, and maybe I'll give it away to a friend who will get more use out of this than me. The next item, which of course was my favorite item, amazing quality. It's by the Nickelodeon brand, so that's fun. And I'm really happy that I own it. The next item is the cropped polka dot blouse. I'm honestly torn on this one, so please let me know in the comments down below if you thought this was cute, because I think the style and the thought was there, but on me personally, I don't know if the ruching was super flattering to my body type, so let me know what you guys think. And the last item, of course, was the biker short set, which honestly, super comfortable, super breathable. I don't know if I would work out in it because I want to keep it really nice and in good condition instead of wearing it out, but I definitely will lounge around in it, so I'm really happy. I only think if I were to return something, it would be the puff sleeve top, but I'll probably end up just giving that to one of my friends because I think a lot of the friends would like the corset detailing in the back. So thank you for joining me on this Fashion Nova try-on haul. I make videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, and I hope you have a beautiful weekend ahead of you, and I will see you very soon.